Okay, so €1,200 invested for 3 years at 4% per year compound interest. What will the investment amount to? Now it's up to yourself which method you would like to do. You could use the formula F is equal to P1 plus A to the power of T. Now fill in the values in. €1,200 is the one that's invested. The interest rate is 4% and the time in years is 3 years. And you could just literally put that into the calculator and it'll give you your answer back. Or you could do it step by step. To do it step by step, it's going to be the 1,200 times by 4% and find what that answer would be equal to, which is equal to €48. And then you would add that on to the 1,200 and you'd see that your answer is 1,248. So then it would be the 1,248 by 4% and add it on, or your other way of doing it is 104%. If you actually times it by 104%, it'll give you your answer straight away. So you can see that the sum of the next year is 1,297.92, and then you do it one last time, 1,297.92 times by 104%. Okay, so then this one by 104% is equal to 1,349.84, and again check your rounding at the end. Now this time it tells you to use the compound interest formula to find the compound interest, which occurs for €2,800 invested for 3 years at 7.5% per year. So it's going to be F is equal to P1 plus A to the power of T, and you're going to fill the values into the formula. €2,800 is what's invested. The interest rate is 7.5% and the time in years is 3 years. And all you need to do is put that into the calculator and it will give you your answer back. And you'll see that your answer is 3,478.43. And again, since it's money, just make sure you round it to 2 decimal places. The next part, it says if €650 amounts to 702 in 1 year, you have to find the rate. Now it's up to yourself which way you do this. I'm going to show you both ways. You could, if you like, you could take the two values away from each other and your answer is 52, and then you would put the 52 over 650 and times by 100 over 1, and your answer would be 8%. Or if you want to just make it a bit quicker, you could just put 702 over 650 times by 100 over 1, and you'll see that your answer is 108%. And then obviously if you take the 100% away from that, then your answer is 8%, which is the same as the answer on the other side. It doesn't make a difference which way you do it. Now this one here, much easier if you use the compound interest formula. F is equal to P1 plus A to the power of T. And then what sum of money invested at 4% will amount to this after 3 years. Okay, so you're actually given the final value, 0.62, and then you're looking for the P, and it's 1 plus 4% to the power of 3. So then what you would do is, best to get P on its own. You might want to simplify the right hand side first of all. You can leave the 3,449.62 on the left. Simplify this part on the right. Which simplifies to 1.124864, and then you would divide by that number on both sides. So P would be equal to 3,149.62 divided by all of that number. Now you don't have to keep every single decimal place, but the more decimal places you keep at the start, the more accurate your answer is going to be. So P originally is equal to 2,800 €. Okay, the last one, a machine depreciates in value by 10% per year. If the machine is worth 58,320 at the end of 3 years, you have to find the value of it when it's new. So you threw this in 3 separate steps. So if it's losing 10% every year, that means this value here is going to be equal to 90%. So to find what it would be at, what it will cost at the end of the second year, we need to find what 100% is. Easiest way, find 10% is, and then find what 100% is from that. So you're going to get this sum of money, and you're going to divide it by 9, and you're going to multiply by 10, so it's 6480, and then multiply by 10, so it's €64,800 at the end of year 2. Then we're looking for what it is at the end of year 1. We need to do the same thing again. We need to divide this by 9. So 90% is equal to 64800. 10% is equal to 7200. And then 100% is equal to 72,000. And then we need to do it one last time. So 90%, that's what it's at the end of year 1. And then 90% is equal to 72,000. 10% is equal to 8,000. So then 100%, which would be at the start, is €80,000. So that's what it would cost when new.